Right, today we have the Littlelf smart home cameras. What you have back here is it's got high definition image, night vision, motion detection, two-way audio. What you got are the instruction manuals. Adapter cords, charging cables, your AC outlet with USB connection. Okay, so you also get mounting hardware. There's a template for the bottom of the camera. Cameras have a pivot, speaker in the back, reset button, micro SD card slot. If you don't want to use the fastening hardware, you have 2-way tape, cord. I believe this is 6 feet. Let's go mount this camera up and test it out, and let's also compare it to the Geenie Merkury camera, the first generation. Okay, to set this up, download the Littlelf app on your mobile device, your phone or your tablet. Next, take your cord, plug the USB into the base of the camera. The other end into the USB. And you can pretty much plug this in anywhere you have an outlet. Now this is suggested for indoor use, but I know people have made waterproof enclosures or put it outdoors where it's protected from the rain and weather. Littlelf 1080p and the Merkury Geenie smart Wi-Fi camera 720p. Now a few differences. The cable here is 6 feet long. On the Merkury Geenie, that cable is only 3 feet long. So let's go over some of the video footage. Notice that the color is more vibrant, resolution is sharper than the Merkury Geenie. Also, it has a wider field of view. And here's the Merkury Geenie running at 7p. You can tell that the field is wide, and the height from bottom to top is not as Okay, so this is the Littlelf camera going into night vision. Okay, this is the Geenie camera coming into night vision. So it took a few seconds before night vision in. This is night vision, the Littlelf camera. This is night vision on the Merkury camera. Okay, so the verdict is Video quality goes to the Littlelf. 1080p, it's sharp. The picture has good color. It has wider field of view, but audio quality has to go to Geenie Merkury. You can hear the traffic, hear speech. However, 720p, it's not a bad image. The colors are a little flatter. Field of view is not as wide, but the audio quality on Littlelf is very bad. I don't think you can hear anyone speak. Recorded audio, you can barely hear it. Anyways, I hope this video helps you guys decide which camera you want. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.